and welcome to Ingrevo. We provide essential, affordable, and user-friendly digital tools for cosmetic manufacturers to simplify cosmetic formulation and manufacturing. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to subscribe, log in, and access the software. Let's get started. To begin, open your preferred browser and type ingrevo.com. Once on the website, click on the Get Started button. You will be directed to the checkout page where you need to fill out the form. First, select your package. We currently offer 2 subscription plans: the Starter Plan, which provides access to essential features, and the Professional Plan, which grants access to the complete Ingrevo suite. Choose your desired plan and move to the next section of the form. If you have a coupon, click here to enter the code. Next, fill in your account information, including your first name, last name, email address, and the password you wish to use for your account. Then, carefully enter your payment details. Your payment information is securely encrypted and protected to ensure your privacy and safety. Then, complete the billing section, noting that all fields with a red asterisk are mandatory. After successfully entering all the information, check the box to agree to our terms and conditions, and click Subscribe to complete the process. You will then receive a confirmation email. If you do not receive it, please check your junk or spam mail folder. On the email, click here to Log In. You will be directed to the Ingrevo login page. Enter your email and password and click the Login button to be taken to the dashboard. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to subscribe and log in to Ingrevo. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to contact the support team via the Contact Us page or email us at hello@ingrevo.com. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on updates, and leave a like or a comment below if this video was useful.